I need a spool holder, so I printed one from Thingiverse. The idea is that this will mount to the top conduit, and then there'll be a piece of conduit like so. So I plan on mounting this on the top conduit about like this, and then having this for the spool, and then there's a piece you clip on the end to keep it from vibrating off accidentally. So let's go ahead and put this on. Every time I do something like this, I'm one step closer to a completed printer. There you get a shot of my electronics cabinet, all the parts. Okay, so I think the easiest way to do this would be to do this. So if I put this on here, I did it in a sequence. I'm gonna get these as far apart as I can. So this is gonna be all of this to put the filament on. I want to get those straight as possible. I normally wouldn't use a cordless screwdriver on a project like this because it's so easy to over torque. But this 4-volt lithium really doesn't have any torque. Doesn't have a lot of speed, has 1 speed. And it doesn't seem to be a problem. I don't have to worry about over torquing things. Okay, there we go. You might be wondering why I went up from the bottom with the screws. There really isn't enough clearance here for the head of that screw. So I had to do that. So one more thing out of the way. So if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.